Nature Center at the Boardwalk Trail. The Nature Center has a lot of trails that you can walk on, and it's a fun place for you to stop at if you're on vacation. There's boardwalks, all kinds of stuff. There's short ones, long ones, depending on how you feel.
This is older, but those look new. It's a makeshift trail for me, right up the thing. They made this trail specifically for me, Dad.
Yeah, rotten.
Chipmunk!
There's a chipmunk over there.
One of my favorite things to do is spend time with nature. I love animals, but really long walks, if it were 3 miles, I do not like doing that. There is one really big hill that if you go all the way up, you have a fantastic view. I saw a bunch of trees. There's a lot of trees actually. On the boardwalk, there's a lake that is really pretty. There might be some tadpoles or frogs in the lake, depending on what time of year you go. Except I wouldn't go for winter because I think that there probably won't be much creatures or animals that you see. Overall, I think the Springfield Nature Center is a fun place to just chillax.
A Springfield Nature Center.
Remember, your adventure at Springfield Nature Center is right around the corner. Click like and subscribe.